Question 40 is about the deviation from Rutherford scattering. So first of all, we have to remember what is the normal Rutherford scattering. The nucleus is here. And then we have alpha particle, both positively charged. So Rutherford only consider electrostatic force, so they will repel each other. So when the alpha particle has a head-on collision with the nucleus, it will be rebounded from the nucleus. It is the normal one. So where does the deviation come from? The deviation comes when the alpha particle has a high energy. And then this experimental result found out that the alpha particle, high energy alpha particle, do not rebound from the nucleus. So what is the proof of it? Is that there is a strong nuclear force between the alpha particle and the nucleus. And the strong force attracted the alpha particle, so it does not allow it to rebound from the nucleus. And also from the transition of the energy, where Rutherford's results becomes deviated, we can estimate the radius of the nucleus. So the answer is A. Thank you.